Dozens of Bronxites, housing advocates, and community leaders came together to rally for tenants facing evictions. They claim many of them don't have legal representation. News 12's Carmen Grant has more on what advocates want from the city.
Tenants, housing advocates, and city leaders braving Monday's frigid cold to rally for New Yorkers facing evictions.
The number of evictions is rising fast.
Manhattan Borough President Mark Levine says a number of tenants are dealing with the eviction process without legal representation.
We are here to sound the alarm.
Advocates are calling on the city's housing court system and its judges to slow down evictions and adjourn cases where a tenant does not have an attorney to represent them. They're also urging judges to set a cap on the number of eviction cases on their calendars.
This court has the power to solve this.
The group says since the moratorium ended in January, more than 200,000 eviction cases have been filed in city housing court. They're concerned it will lead to an increase in the number of homeless New Yorkers.
I've been in housing court. I remember sitting there being scared, thinking that me and my daughter were going to be homeless and have nowhere to go.
The Office of Court Administration, which represents the city's court system, tells News 12 that it has notified the New York City's Office of Civil Justice that provides funding for the Right to Counsel program and are working with them to resolve the issue. OCA adding in a statement that reads in part, quote, "The situation in Bronx Housing Court is not the right to counsel law. It is about a legal services provider who is incapable of carrying out their contractual obligations regarding assigned counsel. They have refused every case assigned this month. Therein lies the problem." The Rent Stabilization Association, which represents building owners and managers, also chiming in saying, quote, "We hope that the court sees this for what it is. Advocates and politicians using this as a smokescreen to delay and push proceedings further into the future." Meanwhile, advocates here say they will continue to work with tenants who are in jeopardy of losing their homes. Carmen Grant, News 12.